Friends, myself Ajay Eknath Chowdhury and I have completed my BE in Mechanical Engineering. Today's date is 6th January 2022 and today's topic is collection frameworks in Java. So, collection frameworks in Java, we will learn about it. So, interface of Java collection frameworks are the frameworks, the collection frameworks provides a set of interfaces and classes to implement various data structure and algorithm. This the Java collection interface. Java collection interface, we have to see about it that the collection interface is the root interface of the collection framework hierarchy, and Java does not provide implementation of the collection interfaces but provide implementation of its subinterfaces like list, set, queue. So collection framework versus collection interfaces, we have to see about it that people often get confused between the collection frameworks and collection interfaces. The collection interfaces is the root interface of the collection frameworks. The frameworks includes other interfaces as well, map and iterator. This interface may be also have sub interfaces. Sub interfaces of the collection interface, as we mentioned earlier, collection interfaces includes sub interfaces that are implemented by Java classes. So all the methods of the collection interfaces are also present in its sub interfaces. Set interfaces we will see now. Set interfaces allows us to store elements in different sets similar to set in mathematics. It cannot have duplicate element. Queue interfaces, next one is, so queue interfaces is used when we want to store and access elements in the first int first out manner. Next is Java map interfaces. In Java map interfaces, we allows element map and interfaces allows its element to be stored in key or value pair. Key are unique names that can be used to access a particular elements in the map, and each key has a single value associated with it. Java iterator interface. In Java, the iterator interface provides methods that can be access elements of collections. Java, now we will see about the Java collection frameworks. Java collection frameworks are the frameworks which is depends on the set of interfaces and classes to implement various data structure and algorithms. Set of interfaces and algorithms, for example, we have to see that is linked list classes of the collection frameworks provides the implementation of the doubly link list data structure. Interfaces of collection frameworks are, we have to see that Java collection frameworks provides various interfaces. These interfaces include several methods to perform different operation on collection. Operation on collection, that is, we will learn about those interfaces, that sub interfaces and implementation interfaces in various classes in details in this phase now. So Java collection interfaces are the faces which is root interfaces of the collection frameworks hierarchically, and it does not provide direct implementation of the set collection interfaces but provides the implementations of the sub interfaces like set, queue and it. The list interfaces is an order collection that allows us to add and remove element like an array. And set interfaces is the interfaces that is used to store in different sets similar to the set in mathematics and cannot have duplicate of it. So these are the form of collection frameworks in Java. So thank you for watching my video.